In this video, you will learn the difference between while and when. When is used to describe the time something happens. It emphasizes a specific moment or event. For example, he called me when he arrived home. When it started to rain, we went inside. When focuses on a particular point in time, it introduces the time at which something happens. While is used to describe two actions happening at the same time. It emphasizes something ongoing or simultaneous. For example, I was reading a book while she was watching TV. They listened to music while they were cooking dinner. While focus on simultaneous activities, it connects two actions that happen together.